So we're taking a look, and it looks like it's about 3.1 billion. It went up a little bit, or a lot.
So I gotta say, this was two very powerful men puffing out their chests over what sounded like a money issue, but it's really about much more than that. Donald Trump and Jerome Powell are discussing renovations to the Federal Reserve, of which Jerome Powell is chair, and how there are huge cost overruns.
So the 2.7 is now 3.1.
I'm not aware of that.
Yeah, it just came out.
Yeah, I haven't heard that from anybody at the Fed.
So here's the deal. Trump is ticked off that the price of renovation went from a little over $1 billion to $1.9 billion to $2.7 billion and now to $3.1 billion.
This came from us?
Yes.
So in this moment, Trump has clearly put Powell on the spot with a bit of a gotcha. Why would he try to embarrass the chair of the Federal Reserve in this way? Well, because I think he hates Jerome Powell.
I think he does a terrible job. He's costing us a lot of money.
Trump has called him a knucklehead, a dumb guy, a very stupid person, a numbskull, a major loser, and a total and complete moron. All Trump's exact words. Feel free to look them up. And all of this has to do with interest rates.
The Fed should lower the rate immediately. He should have cut interest rates a long time ago. He should have lowered interest rates many times.
But Powell doesn't want to do that because Trump's unpredictable tariff policy threatens to stoke inflation, which requires higher interest rates to counterbalance. And Powell would say he's trying to do his job as an independent manager of fiscal policy rather than simply doing what Trump tells him to do. Anyway.
You're including the Martin renovation. You just added our entire capital. Yeah, you just added in a third building. Is what that is. That's a third building.
Well, no, but it's a building that's being built.
No, it was built 5 years ago. We finished Martin 5 years ago.
It's part of the overall work.
But it's not new.
So that's the moment Powell fires back to say, oh, your number is higher because you've added the cost of a project that was completed 5 years ago and doesn't form any part of the current conversation. Oh, okay, I see.
Do you expect any more additional cost overruns?
Don't expect them. We're ready for them. But we have a little bit of a reserve that we may use, but no, we don't.
But let's be fair here. Trump does have reason to be upset. Overshooting your reno budget by almost $2 billion is not exactly a small problem. But Trump also wants something from Jerome Powell.
Well, I'd love him to lower interest rates.
Something Powell has refused to give. And it looks like this relationship just got a little rockier.